Drawing with Ava. Hello friends, Ava here. Welcome back to our channel for another beautiful drawing. Have you got your pencil and paper? Let's get started. From now on you will draw a mythical creature known for its beauty and magic. It is a very cute and adorable animal. You know what a magical creature this is? It's a beautiful and colorful unicorn. Now get ready and let's go. Let's start drawing our unicorn by its sharp horn that sits right on top of its head. Unicorns are magical and charming beings that populate our imagination. They are symbols of purity, beauty, and strength. We continue drawing the hair of her bangs very slowly. We draw your pointy little ear. Very well. Unicorns are graceful and elegant animals. We will now draw your hair step by step very slowly. We call the horsehair of unicorn's mane, since they are very similar to horses. Unicorn mane is very similar to horse manes. Unicorn manes are long and wavy. Try to draw the perfect lines to give a sense of movement. We separate each part of our mane so that it is well wavy. That's fine. Did you know that unicorns are magical creatures and symbolize purity, strength, and beauty? When you draw a unicorn, you are expressing your creativity and imagination. Have we finished drawing all our mane? It's getting very good. Let's draw our unicorn's neck very slowly. Pay attention to the details to make a perfect design. We will now draw the face of the unicorn. We start at the line above the neck and follow to the mouth. Did you know they look like horses, but are distinguished by their unique horn and vibrant colors? We draw the line of the mouth. Unicorns are magical and charming beings. Our unicorn is already beginning to appear. We conclude the face by drawing the line from your head to below your bangs. If you are enjoying the drawing so far, you can sign up now. That's great! Shall we draw the details? Now we'll make your little nose. We draw the line of your cute little eye that is closed. Finally, we draw the line of the right ear of our unicorn. Wow! Have we finished our contour? It was perfect! It was very easy so far. Time to color our unicorn? I have already separated the 6 colors that we will use in this painting. Let's use bright, vibrant colors to make it even more magical. We will use the blue color to paint the tip of the horn. We will also paint a part of the mane blue. Now we use the color green to paint a part of the base of the hair. We will also paint the top of your bangs green. We use yellow to paint the base of the horn. We will also paint a part of the middle part of the mane yellow. Now we use the lilac color to paint 2 parts of her mane. The first one down. The second one up there real slow. To finish painting the hair of our unicorn, we will use the color pink very strong. First, pink on a part of the fringe. Finally, in the middle of our unicorn's mane. Wow! See how the unicorn is getting very colorful. To finish our painting, we will paint the body of the unicorn with a very light pink color. We start painting by the neck. Keep painting very slowly. Remember to pay attention to the curves and details to create a very realistic painting. We will paint a part of the face and then paint your ear. Now we contour your right eye. Keep painting very slowly. To finish the painting, we contour the mouth and its nose. Every little face of our unicorn was painted. Very well. Unicorns are beautiful, charming, and magical animals. I love unicorns. Our unicorn is already complete. Wow. Friends, our unicorn design was beautiful. It's the most colorful and happy design we've done here. Drawing and painting with me is a really cool way to learn about unicorns. Congratulations! It was amazing! Thank you for drawing this beautiful unicorn easy step by step with me so far. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Now you can leave a like in this video and subscribe so you do not miss any new designs. I will always bring new drawings here. A super Ava kiss and see you soon.